and welcome to Poppy's Workshop. And I guess you can kind of call this what's on Poppy's workbench or on the scroll saw today. Just doing a little bit of work. You've probably seen my other video where you see the full production of toys that are currently on the workbench. But here's a kind of a side project or a filler project just to kind of keep me busy. So what I'm doing is these are not. I think these are these full size? I think these are the full size versions of these particular rolling toys, and I'm doing two horses and a whale, and I am doing it out of one of my favorite woods, walnut. Now, when I finish this, the finish when I do it with the linseed oil just turns this beautiful chocolatey brown. And this is just a really nice wood to cut. As you can see, I've already drilled out the holes that I need, and I've already cut out the inners. Out in the scrap area, here is one of the designs that I really like for a Welsh love spoon or Welsh style. So this is one that, I'm going to cut out, and then I'll put it on my workbench and hand carve the shaping and everything like that. And this area here, I haven't used my pencil yet, but this will be the actual spoon area that I'll make concave, and I'll chisel that out as well, carve that out. So what I'm going to be doing real quick is just doing the horse and get that out, and just kind of go from there. Hopefully this won't be in the way. I'm trying to get a little bit higher angle so that you can see what I am actually doing. One of the things that I did do is I changed my air handling system. I moved it back to my DeWalt. It just provides so much more suction, and you're going to hear it when I turn it on. I did move the vacuum outside of the workshop for now. I've got it tucked in the corner, so that'll lower some of that noise because it's really loud. My plan is to go and purchase, when I have the money, is a 3 horsepower instead of the 1 horsepower. But I don't know how noisy those are in comparison to the 1 horsepower dust handling system. So let me spin around. I have my RF. That'll turn on the vacuum. So you should be able to hear this whistling like crazy. And I'm going to throttle the bottom. Ooh. Now listen to that. Yeah. So I think that's pretty loud, but that suction works really well. I probably really don't need that, but habits are habits. So let me start here and check my speed, check my tension. This is a number 5 Flying Dutchman. I think what I may do is not talk during this. Actually, this needs to be up a little bit higher. back this a little bit further and hopefully. Walnut is a very sticky wood. Well, not very sticky, but it likes to stick to the paper when you cut it, as you can see. So let me do this. Let's see. I don't think that'll. You can still see the cutting. I probably should have swapped out blades. To a newer blade. Yep, going off the line a little bit. A little bit, but not too bad. Kind of got distracted. So I want this to be fairly sharp, so I'm going to go past. And that's enough. So that's a nibble. So that's one way to do a cut. Let me show you another way. Use your scrap area. Get a good line up. And go. So there's two different ways to get some nice sharp outside cut. And off just a little here. Man, I'm drifting. Wow. Yeah, I should have changed out blades because it's starting to drift to the right, so I'm going to compensate. As you can see, I forgot to put the heart in the original design when I rescaled. Got an itchy nose. So I had to cut out some outlines. Yeah, this is chattering like crazy. Yeah, I am dull. That is normally a very easy turn for me. I found myself pushing a little bit too hard. Alright, let me get that back on. Whew! Yeah, that is. So, now we have a little bit of quiet. And let's get this little puppy out. She's a little horsey. And there we go. Let's look at the back side here. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, I think that looks nice. And I'll peel that off, and we'll be profiling the edges so that it's nice and smooth. Add some wheels, and then dip it in linseed oil, and then let it cure for a while. And that's it. That's how you finish one of those. But although I was struggling with the blade, again, this is a number 5 Flying Dutchman. I mean, just look at that finish there. Let me get this up to the camera. Okay, just look at that finish on the cut. It shines. I do not have to really do any sanding inside that cut. Just my profiling and the little bit of outside. And that's why I really like them. So yeah, they do dull a little bit faster than the Pegasus, but the cut is so much cleaner. So that's it. Wanted to do a quick video, define quick, for you. So with that, may the Lord richly bless you. Make it a great day right here at Poppy's Workshop.